Hey people, I know I just ended a video with me doing the table back there. Now we're at the water hose holder that's going out back to hold the water hose. And we're gonna open this up. Now I had to take this tape off. I don't have a knife, and I don't feel like getting it. Rip this tape off. And please subscribe, comment, and give me some more ideas of, little things that I can add into the house. This looks like it's in a lot of pieces. Okay, that's plastic. I don't know what it was on, but okay. I wasn't expecting it being this many pieces. It's a stand, and it's in a lot of pieces. And I think I am gonna have to get up and get a knife, because I may not, oh my, it has a lot of screws and little screws, bolts and stuff. So, came with a little wrench. See if I can pop these little things off with this wrench. Gotcha. Well, I know these go at the bottom, y'all. Spikes, grass. And then they have, it's in pieces, but it looks like a lot of pieces, but it looks like it's because they actually, I guess, go together. That hurt. You know what? I don't know what I'm thinking. I can just pull these out the hook. Lay them out. Just pull them out the hook. That's the extent of that. Now this one has one sheet. No, this is simple. Looks simple. So, yeah, I hurt my hand. So, this is A. We're going to take A and C. I was still early, but it bothers me. And then last night, whenever I left, somehow, I don't know how. So we're going to do, see if you can focus, A and C together, which is the ones at the bottom of the spikes. So we're going to get 2 long screws. Beating myself up. But to sum it all up, what I'm trying to say is, when things happen, like in your life, like I don't know, they got medium size and long. Like a sign that God is trying to tiny, I don't know. From something. Just try to make a good thing out of a bad thing. But yeah, also, I'm about to lay these screws out on the table, see who is who and what is what. 2 hours, I think. Okay. So it has some bolts, some little screws. You're going to put the little screws together. And the bolts together. So I looked at that and I was like, just be thankful. So I got to each and every one of my destinations. Looks like. So yeah, y'all
We got one actual, yeah, one, no, two.
Like, for example, sometimes when I'm at home, I lose my keys, especially when I'm working at my
So
I do not like to be late.
that's what we're going to do. Okay, so now I have to figure out
whenever I can't find my keys,
what we got to do with the paper.
Supposed to be.
Okay.
It's like my
So we got to figure out which one. G.
Okay, maybe God was preventing you from.
So it's only two long screws, and I guess it's for the bottom. And this is the bottom.
Like that. So yeah, topic and message of the day: don't dwell on things. Find something negative and it's something positive. Now let's go get to work.
We're going to use these two screws, and we're going to connect A to
They told me not to unhook from the trailer last night just in case they was going to need me to put this trailer in one of the docks. But they called and said, I could just drop the trailer and just go pick up my trailer in dock 1. They should have just brought it around here to me.
Put that there.
That's too much to ask for, right?
And then we're going to take this. I'm going to tighten this up so we can get the next side together. So I'm going to tighten it.
It's nice outside. It was cold last night, but...
So basically when I mow the lawn this week coming up, I'll show you all the end results of mowing the lawn. Well, not mowing the lawn, but of how I hung the water hose on this. It was needed. I had my water hose like hanging off something on a house that's behind the air conditioning unit, which I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to do. So I was like, Prime had, Amazon got their Prime days, and I got this 19% off. So can't beat that. I always go for the deals and sales. You don't always have to pay for, if you don't have to pay full price, don't. Because you got to remember, they're always going to have a sale. Don't pay the full price. But the only time you pay full price is you have no other choice and you really, really need it right then and there. Then pay full price. So we're going to do these. Now we're trying to see. So this is B. And we're gonna make sure B is, I guess, so then we're gonna take. Small screw.
Around for me, and I forgot to mention last night after they told me it would be away, they called me back. I thought they was calling me to let me know, like, hey, your load is ready. But they was
put the small screws in here. What I'm gonna do is
or anything, like, come and let one of them know.
This way.
The guard shack that's over here on the other side of the trailer. So they knew I was gonna be here for a minute.
So just screw that in. If you can see. I know y'all gonna be like, she back with some more boring videos that don't nobody want to watch. But no, like Amazon been having some real good deals. They always got some good deals, but definitely doing Prime. So that's how I got my table too. Amazon. And no, Amazon is not a sponsor. I just like shopping Amazon, and I find it very easy to get things that I actually need and get them fast. So I go through Amazon to do so. So we're going to put this one on top. Turn it that way. I'll be trying not to hurt myself. I don't want to do that because of my floor. So, this way. I'm going to put this. Got it. Got it. I had to put this cardboard down because I did not want to scratch my floor. That's a no-no. A real no-no. So then we're going to put these screws in right here. And just screw that in. I had to actually hit that down. It did not want to go.
Yeah, honestly,
I should have did this one outside, but it's hot and it's humid. Illinois, when we get summer, I like hot weather. I moved to Atlanta for the hot weather, but we get humidity real bad. And our heat is hot and smothering humidity. I can't even leave the dog out that long for her health. So, we got this, and we don't need our box no more.
There's really nowhere to turn around. For a truck, it's only one way in and one way out. It ain't just 2 lanes or none of that.
Next is these.
Do my inspection, and then we're going to head over there. Get a little
hooks.
exercise in this morning, y'all. It stinks. Look at them chickens over there.
So, what is going on is, I believe, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And something other else.
So I'm trying to think. Is it like?
Okay, so I think I found where I need to go.
2.
I thought it was further down, but it wasn't.
So.
Right here is the dot. Right here by all the
So guess what? It's like this. A hook on each side. Cool. So it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like that.
I don't know if y'all can see that stuff scratching out, but it look like grinding up.
And then you use the bowl.
Chicken juice. And I ain't talking about no good, like chicken broth juice, the nasty kind. Now I gotta find my way back around. I think I go this way.
So.
Yeah. I think I'm going this way. Finally made it back over here. What's the weight on this? 17,000 pounds. That's good. This load paying pretty good too. Where did you walk all the way? I got me drive over there. Oh, I thought you said walk. I said hey, it was actually quicker than I thought. Yeah, it's not really that hard. No, I didn't drive over there.
So looks like this is gonna be the difficult part right here.
100 miles a day, so like the spiritual readings. She got a TV show. I forgot her name. Like,
Oh,
she had the same hairstyle and everything.
I went the wrong way.
I think her husband had got a divorce.
Uh-oh.
Her.
Yes, I can see her face.
Yeah, that's her.
You are good to go.
Thank you.
Go out and don't go on the scale. Just go out the gate.
Okay. You have a nice day. Slide these tenders. Today, you know, today gonna be a good day. Nice people. She wasn't offensive to that joke.
Guess what, people? I need to find the boat that I just lost.